Children, yes. So today we are going to learn the next unit, the chapter. But before that, children, how many of you love books? According to you, what is a book? Do you think books are only meant for reading? No, right? Many books are there which is meant to see. Many books are there which is meant to draw, right? So, children, and we know that if you can't go to certain places, it can be Australia, Antarctica, America, or if you have not seen what is what do you call Ajanta and Ellora, you might have learnt in your social studies and all, right, children? You might have heard about this Jantar Mantar, then what do you call big ocean, Pacific oceans, Lakshadweep and all, right? You might have heard and all about all these places, but you might have not visited there. But children, unknowingly you have visited with the help of these books. Am I correct? Maybe you might have not visited to that place, but yes, of course, always the books will take us to that places, right, children? By seeing the pictures of certain places, and we can just imagine. See, when I say elephant, you will get a picture of an elephant in front of you, right? In the same way, when you read that, you can just imagine yourself be there, right? So when you say, maybe for example, if I say, what do you call, SL World, which is the biggest the playful games and all, we get that. Okay, you might have seen certain pictures in your book. Okay, when you see that, don't you feel that okay, you must be there? Don't you feel that you are there? You must be enjoying. You talk to your friends, right? Hey, wow, this is very wonderful. It's a roller coaster. I will sit like this and you'll go upside and on. So don't you speak such things, children, with your friends and all? You imagine yourself to be in that roller coaster, right? You be in the giant wheel whatsoever. Okay, Columbus, you might have played in the fairs which have come here, but certain games are there which we don't have not seen, but many are there in the SL worlds and certain things, right? And there are many things that where we love to see in the pictures and all, and we'll do think that yes, if I get a chance, that I will go to this place, of course, right, children? So always I can say that the books will take, not only it will tell only about the words, letters and all, even it tells you to takes to your different world. Am I right, children? I don't know how many of you do imagine whenever you read a story, the story will not be given only in the words, right? Beside that, pictures will be given. So when you see the picture, you can just imagine, right, actually what's going on, what is the story all about. A kind of, it's like a different kind of communication which is telling you what's in the story, right? So always books are helpful in many ways, children. It can, and we all know that books are our best friends. When no one is there, when you can't play anything and all, you maybe, I don't know how many of you love to read books, but as children, you can just enjoy. If you just go for a novels and all, you will just enjoy. If you start a story, you will not stop, you can't stop yourself reading it. Okay, so sometimes if it depends upon the person, individual, because some do like to read stories and all, some may not like. Okay, and nowadays mobiles are like in a use, yeah, they are in use in a lot, so maybe you will have to play games in the mobiles nowadays. Okay, but children, in the same mobile nowadays, we will get many stories and all. Okay, like you can read, you can just have some video to see some videos and all, even it will help you to understand. So instead of going for a games and all, you can just listen to certain videos. Okay, so here they have given a small riddle there, but the answer is already given there, but for the book they have prepared this small riddle. What is that? Let's see, can you guess the answer? My leaves are white. So children, leaves means not the plant leaves. Okay, even these, each page, okay, we call it as leaves. Single page of this book is called as a leaf. Okay, so leaves, so these are leaves. Okay, see, my leaves are white, they never grow. Yes, children, they never grow. The shape, what if I give it as a round shape, it will be in a round shape. If I give a rectangular shape, it will be in a rectangular shape only, right? It won't grow, it won't change its shape also, right? We all know that. They never grow, and everything you want to know is stored in those. Of course, what all, if you want to know anything, yeah, of course, for example, if I told you what is it, just go and check the meaning of everything. So obviously, children, you will open the dictionary. It's also a book, right? So it will tell you what you want to know, right? Is stored in those black marks you see. So the black marks are nothing but the letters written, right? You see on every leaf, you find me. So what is that? The answer is a book. It's already is given in a reciprocal way. Can you see that? It's a book, right? Yes. Now here we have a small activity to do that. I will help you out. Don't worry about that. Maybe you may not know about few books here. Okay. And last year you have learned about Sunil Gavaskar's lesson, right, children? And in that the word we had autobiography. What do you call it? Was autobiography. Means the person who writes his own story by himself, it is called as an autobiography. Okay, we all know about that. So we know certain books also you might have seen in our school libraries also. So you may do by all by yourselves also, but don't worry, I am here to help you out. Okay, so what are fairy tales called as? Fairy tales, tales means story, keep in your mind. Okay, and children, fairies, the story which is related to the fairies, they are called as fairy tales, right? So which can be the option there? Yes, stories of fairies, magical people and events. Okay, that is the first one. They are called as fairy tales, right? Next is epic. Children, epic are what do you call? They can be like the long poem or story about the heroic deeds and all. Epics, where they write about the legends and all, right? As the stories we'll get, and the poems also we do get on certain person and all. So it is called as an epic, long poem or a story about a heroic deeds. Then autobiography, as I told you just now, it's a story of a person's life written by the person. Okay, it's the autobiography is nothing but a story of a person's life written by that person. Then detective stories. I hope among you, most of you may like the detective stories. I don't know how I'm telling correctly, but I don't know about that. So here detective stories, suspicious stories, like in that way it is. So the fourth one can be the collection of mystery stories. Mystery is nothing which we can't say what actually is going to happen. It's called as mystery. So collection of mystery stories. Then cartoon book. Wow, it's very easy for you. Book containing sequence of drawings, right? In every page when you're reading, we get a drawings in that cartoon book, right? Then novel or fiction. So what is a novel? It's a long story divided into parts. So it's a story of one thing, but it will be divided into, it will be like episodes in the book. Okay, as you see in the TV, the serials, right? Episodes will be there in the same way. You will get episode in the same book with the different captions. Okay, but the story is of the same. Then poetry book. The poetry book is easy to understand. It's a collection of poems, right? Then a fable. So fable is nothing but old stories that teach a lesson. Fable. Then folk tales are nothing but stories about ordinary folks. Children, once again you check out. I am going to tell the numbers there of the column B, the right side one. Okay, check out. 2, 9, 7, 3, 5, 4, 1, 6, 8. Okay, once again I'll tell the answer. Fairy tales are nothing but stories of fairies, magical people and events. Epic is nothing but long poem or story about heroic deeds. Autobiography is story of a person's life written by that person. Detective stories are collection of mystery stories. Cartoon book containing sequence of drawings. Novel or fiction, it's long story divided into chapters. Poetry book, collection of poems. Fable, old stories that teach a lesson. Folk tales, stories about ordinary folks. I hope you might have matched it correctly, children. Okay, shall we move on next to the next page? Yes, so today we will learn the second unit, that is books. In that we have a subunit, that is adventures with books, right? Yes, adventures with books. Yes, so children, let us see what is this. Okay, so your great men and thinkers have used different names for books. Yes, use the given words in the sentences to explain each name. One is done for you. Best friends, show world, show direction, teach good things, stores of knowledge. Right? So you just have to make the sentences using those words. Okay. Companion. Books are our companions in all circumstances. Different names for books. Window. So windows help us to peep the world. Okay, so and books are the windows which will take us to the different world also, we can say. It's not okay, it's not nothing wrong, even it's like a window. When you open a window, you see the world. The same way, when you open the book, you see different world there. Am I right, children? So yes, of course, even we can say the books are the windows with a what do you call, different stories or with different characters, right? Next, then lighthouse. So lighthouse is it helps us to help the sailor to find the direction, right? To help the sailor to find the direction. The lighthouse is used for that. And teachers. So teachers help the children to grow wisely, or teachers help the children, students to learn, right? Treasure. The treasure of vocabulary help the children to make sentences, right? Okay, very good. So we can write that. Even here, the treasure of vocabulary means you having the knowledge of more words, right? So you can make, when you have the vocab, a good vocab, then you can make n number of sentences. The main thing is you should know the words, right? So children, apart from this, you can also use your own sentence. It is left to you, right? So shall we go with the poem? I'll just read it for you for once, and afterwards we'll go. Okay. Adventures with books. Before that, let us know what is the meaning of adventures. Yes, it's like encountering of risk taking, what you call any problem, right? Means you can win or you can lose also, right? But adventures are like that. Some unexpected things may happen with you, and you are ready for that. Okay, that is called, and hardly means the people who with a full of guts and all, they do this such adventures and all, right? So adventures with the books, what's that? Means because I said you before, only children, the books carry us to a different world, right? So that's what here the poet has given this name as adventures with book. Books are the ships that sail the seas to lands of snow or jungle trees. And I am the captain, bold and free, who will decide which place we will see. Come, let us sail the magic ship. Books are trains in many lands, crossing hills or desert sands. And I am the engineer who guides the train on its exciting rides. Come, let us ride the magic train. Books are zoos that make a home for birds and beasts not free to roam. And I am the keeper of the zoo. I choose the things to show to you. Come, let us visit in a zoo. Books are gardens, fairies, elves, cowboys, and people like ourselves. And I can find with one good luck just what I want inside a book. Come, let us read for reading's fun. Okay, children, so let us try to put a small music, okay, tune for this. I'll just try it out. Children, you can also make your own tune for this poem, and you read. Don't read it, you just sing the poem, okay? It will be fun, right? Books are ships that sail the seas to lands of snow or jungle trees. And I am the captain, bold and free, who will decide which place we will see. Come, let us sail the magic ship. Come, let us sail the magic ship. Books are trains in many lands, crossing hills or desert sands. And I am the engineer who guides the train on its exciting rides. Come, let us ride the magic train. Come, let us ride the magic train. Books are zoos that make a home for birds and beasts not free to roam. And I am the keeper of the zoo. I choose the things to show to you. Come, let us visit in a zoo. Come, let us visit in a boys and people like ourselves, and I can find with one good look just what I want inside a book. Come, let us read for reading's fun. Come, let us read for reading's fun. Okay, maybe you may like this or you may not like. Children, you can also give your own tune and sing in your own way. Okay, it is all left to you. I hope means it will be helpful for you to learn the poem also and understand it much better. Okay, now we will go with each stanza. Okay. See, what he says in the first stanza is, books are ships that sail the seas to lands of snow or jungle trees. So here, see, when you open, sometimes we do have such pictures, right? What you see in the, it will show the lands. Okay, it has the ships to sail on the seas, right? So we can see in the book directly. Maybe we might have not seen in real life, but we can see in the book, and we do that, children. So books are ships that sail the seas. Then he says books are the to lands of snow. See, it shows the lands of snow and jungle trees, right? Even it shows these all pictures in a book, right? So it will lead to these and all. And he says that I am the captain. So here, to ride that ship, the big ship, okay, we need a captain. We know the captain, right? So he says that I am the captain, bold and free. He's bold means he's very courageous and is very free. Means no one is there to tell him that to go right side or left side whatsoever. It is his well and wish that wherever he want he can go. Okay, and who will decide which place he will see? Here he says that I am so free and I am bold and I know that where I have to go. It means that in the book, children, which page I had to remove and which page I had to see, it is all my well and wish. He says that. Okay, come, let us sail the magic ship. So he's saying that opening the book, it is like a sailing in the magic ship, he says in the first stanza. So let us see what he says in the next stanza. See, books are trains in many lands. So we know that many lands of trains, they move, right? It can be, you might have seen, I think many of you have gone tunnels and all, right? Okay, so he says that books are trains in many lands, crossing hills. See, crossing the hills, see, these are the hills, even you can see, you might have seen such, you might have gone also, but I'm just showing you, right? It's very, very beautiful also, and we feel a bit scared also, right? Because the hills, it is moving there. At the tip, the edge, you can see there in the picture, right? So crossing hills or desert sands. Even we can see the the trains, they're moving on the desert sand also, even on the mountains also, right? That's what he says. And he says, I am the engineer who guides the train on its exciting rides. And he says, I am the one who is telling the train, his guiding. Okay, go this way, go to right, left and all. I am guiding. Guiding means to show the way. Okay, the person who show the way, guides and all, they are called as guiders. So he says, I am the engineer who guides the train on an exciting rides. Exciting means very energetic, right? Very interesting rides and all. Come, let us ride the magic train. So he says now, in the beginning, first stanza, he said that let us sail in the magic ship. Now he's saying that let us ride in the magic train, he says. Next you see, then books are the zoos. Yes, we have seen zoo also in the book, right, children? So books are the zoo that makes a home for birds and beasts. Beasts are the wild animals, we can say, children. Okay, beasts not free to roam, of course, right? In the book they can't roam anywhere, right? They are just stick in the book. They can't roam anywhere in the in the book. In this jungle book, we can say the book with the jungle, right? Where it will not the zoo they can't move anywhere. We can just vertical turn the page and we can see the animals, all the animals in that, right, where it can't move anywhere. So he says that books are zoos that make a home for birds and beasts not free to roam. It's a home for them, we know that, but they are not allowed to move anywhere. Roam means what? To move anywhere. Okay, ROAM, roam. It means can't move anywhere. And I am the keeper of the zoo. He says, I am the keeper. A keeper means the person who takes care, looks after the zoo is called as a keeper. Okay, he says, I am the keeper of the zoo. I choose the things to show to you. And he says, it's my well and wish whether I want to show the tiger, whether I want to show the lion, whether I want to show the deer, whatsoever. It is my well and wish. Whatever I want, I will show. It means he's talking about the book only, children, here also, right? So yeah, I chose the things to show to you. Come, let us visit in a zoo. Then comes these characters, children. See, this is the first, the one which is rotating is a garden. The second one, which you see, it's a fairy. And this is a common, it's a Harry Potter actually, okay, like a common boy as you and me. Then it's a cowboy. Now what you say, I saw on the horse there. See, even Chota Bhim also we do see, right? And is Jungle Book, Mowgli. I think you know about him. And see, these are called as elves. Yeah, apart from this all, you may not be has don't know about this. Here, these are called as elves. See, they look at their ears and nose. Okay, so they are called as elves, such kind of thing. Okay, so books are gardens. So he says in the books we can see gardens also, we can see fairies also, we can see read the story of elves, we can see the stories of cowboys and people like ourselves. Of course, my children, we have read about the scientists and all, mathematician peoples and all, very great personalities. Books also we do see. Okay, even we have the book people like ourselves, and I can find with one good look. And sometimes children, you will say, "Na, I am this." You means when you are looking, sitting together with your friend, and when you open the picture, you say, "Hey, this is me. This is you." In that way, you just keep what do you call, tell about yourself that you are your own character there, right? So that's why he says that. And I can find with one good look means you will choose the which is good one for your sake, right? Just what I want inside a book. Come, let us read for reading's fun. So he says that reading is full of fun. He enjoys reading the book. It says it is what he has given all about the book in his poem, children. I hope you understood. It's just that he is telling that in one book it can show the whole world, right? It will show the whole world. Maybe you might have not visited that place, maybe you might have not seen that particular person, right? But it will show you everywhere, right? It can take you everywhere. It will meet people, all the people who are not present also you can meet them, right? So in that way he says that the books is just like an adventure, right? Where we get everything, every place, every person there. That's what he says in this poem. So I want shall we just go with this activity, children? The next page we have the down we have given after reading the poem. We have to do this. Okay. Yeah. So children, on the basis of the reading of poem, complete the following sentence is given there, right? So yeah, this one you are going to do. I'll help you out. You can write down the answers there. Okay. Okay. So books take the speaker. Books take the speaker. He is the speaker. He is the poet. Okay, who has written this poem? He's a speaker there. So where does the book take the speaker to, children? Where is he taking? Yes, he is taking the book is taking him to the new places, all the new places, right, children? So you can write the new places, or you can write land of snow or jungle, trees, whatsoever. It is left to you. Whatever you want, you can write there. Either you can write new place, or you can say it will take to the lands of snow, jungle, and all, right? Then next, the speaker is the dash of the ship in which he will travel. So he is the, yes, of course you are right. He is a captain there. CAPTAIN, captain. He is a dash person. It is he who will decide what places to visit. So he is bold and free. It is his own choice. So he is bold and free, he says that. The speaker invites everyone to sail. Where? In which, children? He is inviting you all people to? Yes, of course. To sail in a magic ship, right? Next, books can easily cross. Where all can cross, children? It can cross the hills or desert sands, right? Yes. Books take its passenger on. Yeah, a passenger, I hope you all know to whom we call passengers, right? So it can take the passengers in a magic train, right? TRAN, train. A zoo is it's a home for birds and beasts. The birds and animals are not allowed to roam in a zoo. Means they will not roam there, right? Allowed, ALLOWED, allowed. The speaker decides the things to show. One can easily find in a book what one inside. One wants to see inside, right? What you want to see, that book only you will remove, right? What you want to see, that only you can see in the book. That is what he says in this poem. Yeah. Yes, now we are in this true or false. After listening to the poem, I hope you are able to write this true or false. The speaker loves reading books. Yes, he loves reading books, right? It is true. He reads all kinds of books. Yes, of course, because when he in one book only we will not get all the personalities, right? So in different books we do see, right? So it's true. He reads all kinds of books. He is by nature a dull and boring person. Do you think that he was a boring person, children? No, right? It's false. He was very active, very exciting person. He is bold, independent and adventurous. Yes, he is bold, independent is nothing but free. And he's adventurous, right? He see, look at him, the way he is telling about the books and all, right? Yes, of course, it is true. He doesn't wish to share his joy with others. He is selfish there, children. No, right? He is inviting everyone to come and sail, come and sit in that magic train and all, right? So yes, he is not such kind of person. He loves to share with his friends. So it's false. Fifth one is false. He is a creative and imaginative. Yes, of course, children. Because he is imagining there. When he is opening the book, he is imagining there, right? So that is true. He is imaginative. He understands the power of books. Yes, we know he is telling there, right? Books are like their adventures. They'll take us everywhere. So he knows the power of the book, right? And he says it's fun also, right? It's true. He does not recommend reading books to others. Means he won't. He's telling that not to read the books to you, children? No, right? He's telling that it's a fun. Read it, right? It's false. What it is there given is wrong. Yeah. Now, pick out the words from the box to complete the following web chat. It's damn easy. Places to see with the books. So in the books, what all things you will see that you have to write down there. It can be oceans, deserts. You have to take out from the help box and write down there, children. Deserts, ocean, parks, palaces, space, school. And words that describe the books. We tell about the book is magic, funny, entertaining, interesting, exciting, gripping. Then common characters in the books are places, wizards, animals, children, fairies, aliens. Yes. Complete the stanza taking words from the box given below. Wonderful, pilot, planes, places, high, fly, clouds, clever. Books are dash that fly. Yes, books are planes that fly high. Above the dash and in the sky. Above the clouds and in the sky. I am the dash, smart and dash. I am the pilot, smart and clever. Taking you to new places forever. Come, let us fly in the world. Wonderful plane. Yes. So I hope you will complete it. Okay. The rest and all I'll send you through the PDF. Okay. Your class wishes to start a class library. Okay. Now you know what is the worth of a book, value of a book, right, children? So now you all friends will sit together and tell, hey, we should have a library for ourselves, sir. Whenever we feel free, we are free. We would like to read. Okay. Think, children. Yes, of course, we have a library in our school. But imagine that we don't have a library in our school, okay? So now you are, after reading the poem, now you are excited. Now you want to read all the kinds of books. But we all know that parents, right, they will not take all the books, okay? Because they say that you read first your class school books, then you go for the next book. Of course, sometimes, okay, and they will not collect, bring all the books, okay? It depends, right? But here, what children they're planning, okay? See, when for example, if you are 5 friends and one person brings 2 books, any 2 books, so when each person will 2 books, you know how many books? So it will be 10, of course, right? So now you will be having 10 collection. So when the one person is reading another one book, another person can read another book, and later on they can exchange the book, right? We can do that. So here, so class wishes to start a class library. As a monitor, means think that you are a monitor there of the class. Draft a notice, means you have planned it, you have to put a notice on the notice board. See, children, whenever we have a competition and all, we do put a notice, right, on the notice board that on this date we have this competition. If you are interested, you can give your name. And certainly fees also will be there at the end of that, right? So it's a notice. In the same way, you have to prepare a notice and stick there, right? So it is given in the next page, children. You have to do it by yourself, but I'll read it. I'll just tell you that how you should write, okay? See, they have given a small hint also how you have to start. See, put on a class notice board giving the following information. Then plan to start class library. Deposit 1 story book each within a week. Means they are telling only 1 book from each head, okay? 1 person. Books to read into the 0 period. The students who reads maximum books in the month will be rewarded. Who reads more books, he will be rewarded. Means given a prize. So here, children, in the page number 34, it is given there. Notice, DAV School, Vadodara. So you can write any date there. It's your will and wish. Date in the first line what is given above there. It's a date you have to write down, children. Write any date if you which you want. And how will you start? I'll just tell you that how you can write. Then you can write on your own also. This is to inform that we have planned to start a class library from 1st of June 2020. And so I request you all to deposit at least one storybook from each member. Means each member has to bring one book. Okay. The member who read the maximum books will be rewarded. So down you have to write your name because you are the monitor there, and designation means you are monitor. Your what is your position, right? You are the monitor there. In designation you have to write the monitor there. Okay. I hope it will be easy for you to do that. And after writing, please do send me the answer. Okay. And after that, children, I want to give a small work before starting the new lesson in the page number 35. Okay. In the page number 35, they have given the book's name. Right? They have given the book's name. It is your duty that you have to find out who is the writer of that book. Means who wrote that book. Okay. They have given the help box also. You can take the help box and write down the answer there. So when I'm going to start the new lesson. Before that, you should be ready with your answers. Okay, children. So try it out. It's also fun. You can just try it out. Okay, children. Thank you.